Hey everyone, Amanda Hill RDH here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your amalgam separator. And Dove Dental has actually made a product that eliminates your need for the amalgam separator. What? Exactly. One less trap you have to remember to change, one less thing you have to maintain. This is approved in 45 states. They've made a disposable amalgam separator. And the really awesome thing about this is you can use this piece for about 2 to 3 teeth, and you know when it's full because it'll just stop working. So many of the products that we have on the market, we don't know when they stop working, right? The reps tell us that our amalgam separator, the filter needs to be changed once a year. But I know in my office, it had to be changed in 7 months because our suction slowed down. Some offices, if they do a lot of amalgam, it's every 2 to 3 months. And so this lets you know right when you need to change this tip. And it's really easy. You just pop it off and you put it in this disposable box that it comes with. It's super handy and you mail it right off. No additional fees, no additional expense, and no need for a hazmat suit. The great thing is the Capt-all comes 25 to a box, individually wrapped, so we know they're safe for our patients. Thanks for watching. You know, I've been a dental hygienist for 25 years and in the dental industry for over 30. So if you want to learn more about the products that I love or things that make my job easier, check the links. Or you want to learn more about me, it's all right here. See you next time.